Good morning, first graders. Today is Tuesday, May 26th. I hope you had a fun and restful long Memorial Day weekend. I'm going to go over the schedule for the week with you on the next slide. It's our last week of school. Can you believe it? I certainly can't. I miss you all so much. Love, Miss Rimmeride. For your greeting today, I want you to invent one. That means you get to come up with your own new one. For sharing, go on Flipgrid, and I already put the code on Seesaw, so you should just be able to click on the link right into our Flipgrid and share what is one of your favorite memories from first grade. And lastly, for your activity, try your best to get outside and play before it rains. It looks like it's supposed to rain this afternoon, so see if you can get outside and beat the rain. Alright, here's our schedule for the week. On Monday, we didn't have school yesterday because it was Memorial Day. Now today is Tuesday, and I will be doing office hours with you guys from 11:30 to 12 o'clock, so pop on in if you want to join us. For your Seesaw work, you need to complete the lessons from me, and there should be a lesson from Mr. J, and then check for a lesson from your targeted reading teacher. For Wednesday, there's going to be a live lesson at 1 o'clock. Okay, that's our last live lesson together. So I want all of you guys to join it with me, okay? That's from 1 o'clock till about 1:20 or 1:30. And on Wednesday, you'll be doing your regular Seesaw work. Now on Thursday, this is our last day of school. Can you believe that? So on Thursday, you are going to have work on Seesaw to do, like you have been, this whole time of extended flexible learning. But I get to have picnic lunches with some of you. So if you know that you signed up for a picnic with me, just ask your mom or dad what time yours is at, because I sent out all the times for that at the end of last week. So those picnic lunches are with me at Able Park, and you can just have your parents drop you off and then pick you up after the picnic is over in 1 hour. And then lastly, there's no work for you guys on Friday. There's no small group meetings. There's no Seesaw activities whatsoever. The only thing I'm doing that day is having another picnic with some of you guys at Able Park. But there's no new work for you guys that day. And again, no small groups, no live sessions at all. But if you are not scheduled for a picnic and you would like to have one with me, please have your mom or dad contact me and we can get you signed up. And it's going to be so much fun. Alright friends, have an amazing day. Let me know if you have any questions about the schedule. And I can't wait to see what you learned today. Oh, I have one more thing for you guys. In your Seesaw activities for today, there is a super fun activity. Okay, it's totally optional, but what it is all of the teachers have these cool Bitmojis. That's what these things are called that kind of look like me. And there's a fun game in there today where all of the teachers' Bitmojis are out in front of Park Terrace, and you get to guess whose is whose. Okay, so that's going to be in your Seesaw activities. You don't have to do it, but it's a really fun activity if you want to give it a try. Miss Mackenzie recorded her voice and explains the whole thing really, really well. So I know that if you click on there, you'll know exactly what to do. Alright guys, have so much fun!